clue where I went.
I have no clue how I got home.
I have no idea. Like that. I have no idea what you're going to ask me.
I have no idea what I'm doing.
And I say to him, you know, I have no idea how to shoot a gun, and I have no interest in firearms whatsoever.
Search me. I guess we're abandoned.
Search me. Ask Oren.
Search me! Search me!
That's Barney's sister, ain't it? Beats me.
You know why we're here?
Beats me.
How should I know that? How should I know that?
How should I know? How should I know?
And a patrolman, I don't know.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Where are they?
I don't know.